Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I solve this Rubik's Cube, 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I used to know how to solve a 2x2, but I don't anymore, so I just practice solving the 3x3, and this is how you can do it in any position you want. So first you have to create a white around the yellow. So you have to take these pieces and you always have to move them up to the yellow center. And then you take that. Now you would love this one to be here, but if that doesn't work, you just tilt it to one side and then move it up. And then you find the next ones and up. There's no algorithm for this one. So now the next step is to match these together. In this case, blue is matched, and put it down to here, because the next step is going to be creating a white cross. So blues are already matched, put those down. Then I'm going to match the green. Let's put this down. The orange is already matched. Put that down. And then I'm going to match the red. So the red here, and put that down. So then, for this one, you need an algorithm. So you just move up, and then tilt it like this, then put it back down, and then move to the left. So then you just find these two colors with its centers. So these two colors this should go down here, because these two colors are these two. So then you just keep doing the algorithm until the white face on that is down. So you only have to sort in the white ones. And then you just do that with every corner. And if it's not in the correct place, just tilt the upper part. Okay, so now you've got the white solved, and you've got the bottom row solved, and you've got the center matched with the bottom row. So now our next step is to solve this whole row. So you take one of these, and this color here, you take one of these parts where there's no yellow on them, and the color that's supposed to be here should match its center like we did before in the first part. So here they're matching, and the top color is green, and green's here. So then you have to move it to the opposite color, which is blue. Now the green's on the left side, so now we're gonna do a new algorithm. You move up, and then to the right, then down, and like this. That's the left-hand algorithm. And then you one time turn the cube, and then you do the right-hand algorithm that I taught you before. And now this one is solved to its color. And then you just do it with everything, though there could be some issues. So this is inside, but it's the wrong color. So then you just take some kind of random yellow one, and then do it the same thing, but with that. And then this one's already out. So then I just keep on doing that. So this solved. Okay, this. Now we've got this whole bottom thingy solved. Now it's for the top, the yellow cross. So you will either have a little horizontal line here, or you will have this 9 o'clock, or you might just have the center there. So if you have the center there, you just repeat this. And if you have the horizontal line, I'll tell you later. And if you have the 9 o'clock, just do this. So you tilt this like that, then do the right-hand algorithm once, tilt it back. Now you have the horizontal line like I told you before. And for the horizontal line, if you already had before, you can do this before. Then you just do the same thing, but you only then you do the same thing. Okay? Now this is perfect. We've got the yellow cross. Now it's our job to find these matching ones. So now I have 2. You could either have 2 of these, or you could have 4. If you have 4, you can just skip this progress. Now in this case, I only have 2. I've got the red matching and the blue matching. If you have 4, skip this. If you have 2, then you want to keep these 2 in the top right corner. And if you have 1 or 0, then just do this from anywhere. So this algorithm, you first move this one up. Then there's a new algorithm, so listen. Then move this one like that. Then put this one back down. Now these 2 are gonna move there, so you do like that. Then you put this back up, then move it all the way back. So now, see if you have anything solved. Yeah, now I have everything solved. And if this doesn't work and you don't have everything solved, just do it again. Okay, so then next, you should see if you have one of these 2 pieces, and not the yellow ones, fit to their centers. So these are not fitting. Yeah, these 2 are fitting to these 2 centers. So you'll only have 1, or you'll have 4. If you have 4, you can skip the step. If you have 1, then just do this. Or you have 0. Now, in this case, I only have 1. If you have 0, then you do this from anywhere. If you have 1, then the 1 should be in the bottom right corner. So then this algorithm goes, tilt this like that, then up, the other way, then up, tilt this back like that, and down, like this, and down. So now I've got this solved, these 2 match, and these 2 match. So that's great. Now we can move on to the next step. And this next step is putting this yellow here, which is also going to be solving the cube. So you turn this around and you pick a color of your choice. In this case, I'll pick blue. And then you just do the right hand algorithm until you have this yellow facing down, like we did it with the white at the beginning. So I've got this yellow face down. Then you want to do the next yellow. So don't do it with the next color. You just tilt the bottom one until the yellow's there. Then you just continue doing the right hand algorithm. Or if you're a left-hander, you can even do this, but on the left side. So then you get the next one here. And then you keep doing that till all of them are in. Okay, now they're all in. The yellow's solved. Now I just have to tilt this till it's on the right place. And now you have solved your first Rubik's Cube. So nothing is missing out. This is your first cube that you've ever solved. Now try watching this video a lot of times so that you remember this and have fun solving your cubes. See ya. Bye.